220 KSH minimum deposit on Exness Kenya. But there's a 915 KSH account 73% of traders don't know exists, and it's the only reason I'm still trading after blowing my first account in 48 hours. Lost 9,400 KSH my first week. Rookie mistake everyone makes. Now, 1,280,000 KSH withdrawn to Mpesa over 18 months. The difference was one account type change that took 90 seconds. Showing you which one right now. Next 4 minutes. The 915 KSH account hack nobody talks about. The Mpesa timing trick that gets you trading Monday while others wait till Wednesday. And the Sunday 9 p.m. secret that caught me a 4,400 KSH profit last week. Stay till the end. Bonus could save you 19,000 KSH. You're about to open a standard account. 1,422 KSH minimum. Sounds reasonable. Here's the problem. With 1,422 KSH, you get maybe 2 trades before you're done. One bad position and you're starting at 0 wondering what happened. That's exactly how I lost 9,400 KSH in 3 days. But there's another account type Exness berries in the options. Cent account. 9,115 shillings. Less than your weekly Matatu fare. How? You trade in cents, not dollars. Your 213 KSH becomes 9,150 cents in your account. Each trade costs cents instead of shillings. So you get 100 plus practice trades before running out. Do the math. 9,115 KSH cent account, 100 learning trades. 1,422 KSH standard account, 4 trades then broke. 89% of profitable Kenyan traders started here. Not with 1,420 KSH. But is cent account real trading? Yes. Real market, real profits. Just smaller scale while you learn. You're not here to gamble. You're here to build skill cheap, then scale up. Quick breakdown. Starting fresh, cent account, 9,115 KSH. No debate. Already confident with 10K KSH saved, standard account works. Trading 50K plus KSH monthly. Pro account 70K KSH minimum saves you on spreads. Most Kenyans blow their standard account week 1. Smart ones learn on cent, then graduate. Your call. Links in the description and the pinned comment. Open it now in a new tab. Don't lose it. I'll wait. Got it open? Good. Keep watching. At the 240 mark, I'll tell you exactly what to click. Keep watching. 5 deposit methods in Kenya. 1. Mpesa. 2 to 10 minutes fastest. 2. Bank transfer. 3 30 minutes free but slow. 3. Debit card. 5 10 minutes, sometimes I use this. 4. Crypto. 3 minutes if you have USDT. 5. Airtel money. Works but Mpesa's more reliable. Here's the secret timing trick nobody tells you. Deposit Sunday night at 9 p.m. using Mpesa. Why? Weekday deposits clear in hours. Weekend deposits, 110 hours minimum. But Sunday 9 p.m. counts as weekday processing in Exness's system. Pro move, keep 502,000 KSH sitting in your account always. Trading setups don't wait for deposits to clear. When you see the entry, you need to be ready. 19,400 Kenyan traders joined Exness last month. Not made up numbers. Check the Kenya Telegram group yourself. People starting with 915 KSH in September. Now trading 38,000 KSH weekly. Not rich, consistently profitable. Big players withdrawing 84,000 plus KSH to their KCB. Processing time. 28 minutes. Real Kenyans. Real withdrawals. Real results. The system works. You just need the right account type, which is sent at 915 KSH. There's 2 paths from here. Start today. You're trading tomorrow morning. Learning, building. Wait till next week. Bitcoin spikes. XAU USD moves 400 pips. You watch from the sidelines while others profit. 915 KS Shent account is the cheapest trading education you'll ever get. 1,420 KS Shent off standard account. When you don't know what you're doing, that's expensive tuition. Traders making money right now started months ago with cent accounts. Learned cheap, then scaled up. You're either starting now or regretting it 6 months from today. Click the link in the description right now. Not later. Not after the video. Now. Create account. 2 minutes. Verify with ID. 3 minutes. Deposit 915 KSH via Mpesa. 4 minutes. Total time to trading 9 minutes. Links in the description and pinned comment. Every hour you wait, someone in Nairobi is trading while you're thinking about it. Your 915 KSH is waiting to become 40,000 KSH. But only if you actually start. Only if you take action right now. Go. Now. Click the link in the description and pin comment and unlock a lot of benefits. We will all succeed in trading. Base on believe. Stay patient. Keep learning. And do not give up. Like this if it just saved you money. Comment withdrawal if you want the Exness withdrawal speed video next. Subscribe for more Kenyan trader content. Links below. Go trade.